Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 7. Can you believe that you're so close to completing your first course with Concordia on your journey to your master's? Congratulations. So, week 7's focus is on instructional leadership and change and team development. So, the topics will look at conflict in schools today, different types of conflict that you'll see within schools, whether it's community, staff, political, all kinds of different conversations about conflict. And then what strategies to use for that. So with that comes the reading of this week. So to read for this week, you're going to go into chapter 7 of the Green Work, looking at managing conflict in today's schools. That's where you'll get your strategy conversations, definitely looking at those case studies at the end. And then Simon Sinek, there's a TED Talk, how great leaders inspire action. He looks at the why and builds out from the why. So it's a great TED Talk from Simon Sinek. There is a learning module looking at instructional leadership and change. Then the discussion board for week 7, I'm not going to click on it here, but it's asking you to put on the hat of the administrator. You have data that shows that you've got struggling readers on a middle school campus, and you have one camp that says pull our students out, support them outside of the classroom. Another camp saying, hey, let's embed what we're doing to support them inside the classroom. So trying to put on that admin hat and determine how to solve that conflict. So you're going to give your response. So those of you that aren't middle school level, just know that your credential will put you at any level. So take on that hat and just give me your thoughts. Again, remember to back yourself up with research or information, supporting it, citing it, and using APA in your initial post only. Doesn't technically need it in your responses to your peers, but in your initial post, I do need that reflection. Then, as always, the optional Christian message is the attitude in the difference maker. And then that reminder, week 8, we'll be getting into your group projects. So that Wednesday night when we're meeting for our group projects, the 10th, please know that we're going to try and meet all together at the same time, so that way everybody can see the different projects there. There are about 4 projects, so it'll still fit within our hour-and-a-half time frame. But just put that in your wheelhouse, knowing that we might start at 6:45 or 7 to accommodate both time frames. I'll solicit through a survey from you your thoughts on that. So there's nothing officially due this week except for the discussion board. All groups that have posted your topics for your group reform project, they are good to go. So please make sure that you are working together as a team. Don't hesitate to call, text, or email if you have any questions. And I hope it's a great week. God bless.